ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾਲ ਵੇ ਨਾਈ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾਲ ਵੇ ਨਾਈ ਚੀਰੇ ਵਾਲਿਆ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਈ ਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਲੌਂਗ ਵਾਚਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਾਲ ਵੇ ਨਾਈ
Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonal and in today's video I have did this halo eye look with a pop of color, which is a turquoise pop of color, and I absolutely love how this has turned out to be. If you want to watch how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching the video till the end and let's just get started with the look, guys. So for a beautiful base, I would definitely recommend you to apply some sort of face moisturizer on your face and moisturize your face well before starting off your makeup. I have already did a little bit of skincare and that is the reason why I'm skipping on moisturizer for now. For primer, I'm using this primer right here, which is the Rimmel Insta CC primer. This is an illuminating primer and I love this so much because it adds that really nice looking glow to your face. And let's just do it. So I'm just going to massage this into my skin now. Now I'm gonna be quickly doing my brows and prep up my eyes off camera and I'll be right back. Concealer is on and this is how my brows and my concealer look together. I know it might be looking a little off right now, but trust me, with time, once the makeup look is coming together, you will see and get an idea of why I did so heavy like concealer base. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. This is a really nice pink shade and I'm gonna be applying this as my transition shade. So first I'm just going to blend that shade in my crease line, as my transition shade. So once our transition shade is on, I just wanted it to be very light on my face. I didn't want it to be like pop out pink color. I just wanted it to be a nice transition light shade. So that is the reason why I didn't intensify the shade on my face. So now I'm going to be using this palette right here. This is the Shiva Cosmetics Warrior 2 Blend the Shadow Rules palette. And I'm going to be using this brown and this black shade together now, along with this shimmery shade. Now I'm going to first just take that brown shade and pat it right there. Just patting the same eyeshadow here as well. So right now I'm just focusing on placing the colors, doing nothing but just placing the colors. So I'm going to be doing a halo eye look, and for that I have left this space in between so that I can add some shimmer in between. First I'm just going to try to blend these two shades, these two sides out, and then we'll add the shimmer. Taking this sort of tapered blending brush, I'm going to blend my edges. So I have blended out all the harsh edges and I'm going to be reapplying and intensifying the colors once again, and then we're going to be moving ahead with the shimmers. So my eyeshadow is almost blended now, and now I'm going to be adding some shimmer on top of it. So taking this shimmery shade right here, I'm going to be placing it in between. I'm just going to blend the shimmer and the mattes together. So taking that black shade from the same palette, just adding a little bit of depth right here using a black eyeshadow shade. I'm using this highlighter right here, which is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, and I'm going to be using this to highlight the brow bone area and the inner corners of my eyes. Moving ahead towards the foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This one is in the shade Warm Sun. So to highlight my face, I'm going to be quickly using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. So I'm going to be using my contour on my wet base, and this is the contour which I'm going to be using for now. This is the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to be just adding this on the usual areas where we contour. मैं बेस को सेट कर देती है, उसके बाद में अगर कॉन्टोर लगाती, पाउडर कॉन्टोर लगाती तो मुझे लगता है उसका इंटेंसिटी जो है वो थोड़ा कम दिखता है। वेराज अगर आप अपने वेट बेस के ऊपर ही अपना पाउडर कॉन्टोर यूज़ कर लो, सो आई थिंक उसका इंटेंसिटी उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखता है, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न व्हाई आई एम अप्लाइंग माई कॉन्टोर बिफोर एक्चुअली सेटिंग माई बेस। So now I'm going to be powdering my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Fit Me Compact. This is how it looks like. This is in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel, and this is exactly my shade. And using this sort of fluffy brush right here, I'm going to be applying the powder all over my face. Moving ahead towards the blush, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution blush palette. I'll be using this peach shade right here on my cheeks now. This one is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, and I'm going to be applying this on my face now. I also like to highlight this portion of my face, applying a little bit of highlighter right there. So our base makeup is almost done, and now I'm going to be moving back towards the eyes, and for that I'm going to be starting off with the waterline with a pop of blue color. Using this palette right here, I'm going to be using this shimmery shade right here and applying it on my waterline. So this is what my eyes is looking like right now. I know it is looking really bright right now, but trust me guys, this will look good with time once I apply my lashes. Blending out the edges now. Now taking the black shade from the same palette, and I'm gonna be using that to line my waterline. I have lined it just the halfway towards my eyes, like just till here, and I'm going to be doing the same on the other side now. So for my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensation Mascara. So I have applied a thin layer of like mascara on my eyelashes, and now it is time for some false lashes, and for that I'm gonna be applying the PAC Cosmetics M75 lash. So I applied my lashes off camera, and this is how it looks. I think it is looking absolutely pretty, but now I'm going to be adding a little bit of like final touches to the eye makeup. So first, to make my eyes look a little more bigger, I'm going to be using this nude kajal, and I'll be just applying it on my waterline now. Now taking a little tiny dot of concealer on the back of my hand, I'm going to be just like imitating my eyes to look a little more bigger. And I'm gonna just draw a little line right here. On a little bit of this inner line right here, and I'm gonna be imitating the same right here as well. So this is what my eye makeup looks like, and I am absolutely loving it. Moving towards the lips, I'm gonna be keeping my lips very nude and neutral. I have already lined my lips using a brown lip liner, and now I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Touch of Spice, and this is a really nice nude mauve shade. I'm just going to take my brush and just like make the lips more precise.